In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quick export in DaVinci Resolve. If you want a fast and simple way to export your project without going through a lot of detailed render settings. Quick export is one of the easiest tools to use in DaVinci Resolve. It's perfect when you need to get your video out quickly and don't want to spend extra time adjusting advanced options. To begin, look toward the top right area of the DaVinci Resolve interface. In that section, you'll find the Quick Export button. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. This opens a small export window designed to speed up the exporting process and make things much more convenient, especially for beginners or for anyone working on a quick turnaround. After the Quick Export window opens, the next thing you'll do is choose the export settings you want to use. DaVinci Resolve will give you a few preset options, and these are meant to make the process easy without requiring you to manually build your export settings from scratch. Pick the one that best matches what you need for your video. For example, you may want a setting that works well for general sharing, online upload, or a standard high-quality export. The key here is to select the option that fits your goal before moving on. Once you've chosen your preferred export setting, click Export. DaVinci Resolve will then begin processing your video using the setting you selected. Depending on the length of your project, the effects you've used, and the performance of your computer, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. That's really all there is to it. Quick Export is designed to save time and remove a lot of the complexity from the exporting process. Instead of going into more advanced delivery settings, you can use this feature to get your project rendered in just a few clicks. A helpful tip is to make sure your timeline is fully ready before you export, since Quick Export is all about speed and convenience. It works best when your edit is complete and you just need a quick final file. And that's how to quick export in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and smooth part of your workflow.